This is the kind of information that every one of us have been waiting for on this very airdrop. That is the Blum airdrop right here. Blum is launching this June. Look at it right here. And the token will go live in the Blum app and on DEX's Snapshot early June. So this is the update that we've been waiting for, and this is very important for all of us that is on this very airdrop right now. The most important thing here is that from this very information, this very paragraph right here, it seems that Blum will not be launching on SEX, that is centralized exchange. And if that is the case, do you think, in your opinion, they will put in more liquidity to withstand the kind of sell pressure that is going to come from airdroppers? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Do you see this as a welcome development? Is this good for the token? Will the token survive it? Comment below right now. If they don't list on SEX, what is going to be the performance of the Blum token at listing? Because this is very important to the equivalent of our token to dollars, and this is what every one of us want to know. And I believe they change this and list on SEX. There should be SEX listing, because when you list on SEX, let's say for example you list on somewhere like Binance, and that kind of liquidity coming from Binance users will help pump the token all the way to the upside. Because if they go with only DEX, then I have a lot of problem with them going with only DEX. Okay, even though they list on 5 DEX, that is not the problem. I'm concerned with them listing on SEX as well, in as much as they will be listing on DEXs. So all you need to do right now is to ensure that you meet all the criteria. Number one is that you might have performed one on-chain transaction, or you have 750 main point right here. Okay, so if you have 750 main point and you've not performed any on-chain transaction, you are qualified. Or you perform on-chain transaction and you don't have main point, you also qualify as well. The second one is that you must have 2 referrals, and the third one is you must have more than 100k Blum point. And you can see mine here, this is 826,000 Blum points, and this is very important. And as you can see right here, I am also mining as well. So this is very important, guys, and you can go to the end section right here and also perform all the tasks to get more Blum points right now before the listing early June, because this is going to go down. And if you come to the pre-market right here, I have something very, very important here to share with us. Look at what the market have been doing. Market from here move all the way to the upside, and right now market is back down, and this is the lowest low at this very point. So since we have the lowest low at this very area right here, do you think this market have capacity from where it is right now move to the upside? Because from what we know, the pre-market price, as you can see right here, is always higher than the real market value of the token most times. Okay, and in the case of Blum, this will not be an exception. So we are not expecting something very big beyond what we are seeing on pre-market right now, except the market begin to move all the way from this very area to the upside on this very pre-market before the listing. And this is very important. So from this very price action right here, since the market has created a new low right at this very point, which is also lower than this very area right here when the pre-market price was initiated, it is called that market have capability of moving all the way to the upside. If you put in the MACD indicator, it is called that market is going to move upward very, very soon. But the question is, it should do that before the listing, because if it did not move before listing, then the pre-market is of no use after listing, because we're going to have the token go live, and we'll be using the live chart of the token to track the price prediction of the Blum token from that time moving forward. So what I am expecting before listing is for a recovery to happen, and then we should have a breakout right at this very point. A breakout here is going to make the market to move upward, else market is going to stay within this very area before and after listing. So this is what I'm now looking at on the Blum pre-market right now. So do you think this very token is going to do well at listing, since they're going to be listing on DEXs and we've not heard any information about sex, comment below in the comment section of this very video. And what is your price prediction for the Bloom token? What do you think this token is going to turn out to be? Dust or something reasonable? Comment below in the comment section. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comments. Join right now. It is a free channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.